Hello everybody, Eric the Green here. Thanks for joining me today on the video. It's April 5th, 2019, and we have had a really cool, colder than normal February, colder than normal March, and now colder than normal April. A couple days ago we had 3 days below freezing still, and had a cold rain all day yesterday. So I'm waiting on the soil temperature to warm up. We don't have any more freezes in the forecast, any more frost, but the soil temperature needs to be at least 65 for me to feel comfortable with planting all the tomato plants, pepper plants, beans, cucumbers, all that stuff. So we're going to check the soil temperature this morning, and this is a raised kind of a terrace bed full of hardneck garlic. So I'm not going to be planting in here. I just want to get an idea though of soil temperature, kind of a range of soil temperature. So we'll start checking here first, if I can get this to show up. And about 52, 53. So that is really cool. Really cold for April 5th. Oh, I mean, normally this is up there around 65 by this time of year. And we're supposed to hit 80 degrees for the first time this year next week. And they said on the weather that that is the latest date to hit 80 degrees in a year in over 20 years. So, very unusual year. And we're going to go into the main garden area here. And I hope the sun is not too bad on the video quality. But right here, a couple weeks ago I planted cabbage and broccoli. Has not grown an inch since I planted it. Hasn't grown at all. You can see it got burned by the freeze a couple days ago. That's some pure cacaba broccoli. And it just, you know, it's just sitting here, not growing. And in April, this stuff ought to be moving quick. But anyway, there's some red cabbage. We'll check the soil temperature over here real quick. And looks like I have some rabbit damage on some of these, but they'll be okay. Anyway, soil temperature here, and this is getting sun. Oh, looking about 55, 56 again. So, way too cold to plant any of the warm season crops. It's even too cold to grow these brassicas. I'll check one more place here. Now this, where this kale is right now, is going to be a tomato or a pepper row, I think. So we'll check right here. And I don't know if that's showing up, but it's showing about 54 again, 53, something like that. Way too cold to plant, way too cold. And we're going to check one more place over here where my tomatoes circle is. Tomato circles are. And here are the cages, here all the time. So this is the middle where I would put in the nutrients and things for the roots to get to. But this is full of cover crop right now. The chickweed, the wild lettuce, vetch. Right there, some nice vetch that has a lot of nodules on the roots for nitrogen. So, you know, you can pull all this back, leave the roots in the ground, but it makes a great mulch too. And we'll check right here where the tomato, I'll move the cage, plant the tomato in the middle, put the cage back, and that's the way it goes all the way around these tomato circles. All right. And 52, 53. That's just almost unbelievable for this time of year, but it's just the way it is. So we'll have to just wait. About a week from now, maybe a whole different story. We're supposed to be pretty warm for the next week. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers to this channel. I really appreciate it. It It's really cool that people enjoy the videos, and I enjoy making them. And I got some radishes, some leeks, elephant garlic. Some things are starting to go, but it's just still too cold for the warm season crops. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.